Hey everyone, my name is Donita, and today I'm going to show you how to design a simple but attractive social media post on Canva. So it's going to be a quote social media post. So I'm going to share my screen and let's go. Okay, so obviously go to canva.com and look for social media post. So we're going to start out of scratch. So let's choose the blank social media post. Templates are great, but the thing is, many people are using it, so it's very hard to be like different, if that makes sense. Like everyone's using it, so you can easily tell if it's a template. Like it's good to use your own creativity to design something out of scratch. I totally encourage that. Use your own strengths. Okay, so like I said before, we're designing a social media post for like Christmas themed. It will be a quote social media post. Okay? So let's first find a grid. So let's go to elements, and we should scroll down and go to grids. Here we go, choose the first one, and let's find an image to use as a background. So let's look for something like a plain green background. So okay, I already such a green. And let's keep on. Let's look for a nice gradient. That's the background. Let's lock this. Let me move myself here. And now let's look for like a Christmas image. Oh no, Christmas. Ooh, that looks awesome. Let's see. The black. It's unique. I mean, green and red is usually the typical Christmas colors. But I think let's choose something a bit uncommon. So let's use black and blue. Okay, so now let's look for a Christmas quote. Okay, I actually like this quote. At Christmas, all roads lead home. Let's look at the text. Let's get the heading. And subheading. Let's just write the code. Okay, so let's decrease the size of this tabby, make it something fancy. I really like this hotel, so let's use this. And I also liked this one, the open source one, and I also like this one too. Actually, let's go with open source and maybe this one. Yeah, I think that's good. So let's increase, let's decrease the font name. And this, and let's reduce the line height. Not too flushed. We align it to new. Oops. Okay. Always lock the image. Else it's going to happen like what just happened. Wait, this is a very a relatively basic code post, but it's a start. Okay, so now we've done an image, like a social media post image. So let's do a video one. So to make a video, it's very simple. So let's first duplicate this. And then let's just change only the background and make the background like a video. So let's look for a video here, and later we'll look for a song. Definitely not. It's not really easy to see. But I'm looking for something a bit plain. That's nice. Let's see what this looks like. It's nice. It's elegant. It's not too like activity happening in that video. That's nice. So let's lock that. And okay, let's first make sure it's muted. The video is muted. So there we go. Let's lock it. Unlock it. And now let's look for a song. Oh, that's cute. So that's it, guys. So this is the video social media post, and this is the image social media post. Okay, so I'm going to show you the final look of the video one along with the music. So let's just download that. Let's download that video and let's view it. So first open, and here we go. So this is the video social media post we just did. And let's reduce the volume so I don't kill my ears. Okay, let's play it. Okay, so that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any future YouTube video tutorial suggestions, that was long, feel free to comment below and I'm happy to do some. And I'll try my best to be active on YouTube because I'm like a graphic designer, like full-time graphic designer. It's kind of hard to like maintain a social media or YouTube channel consistently, but I'll try my best to help you guys out. Till then, I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.